Reach Records, the movement. I want to take this time out to salute the believers.
Cannon.
And shout out to the non-believers too. Time is coming.
The Cannon.
Church Clothes Volume 1. Dawn Cannon.
And they say, you only live once, so live it up tonight. I hope we live twice, cause I can't wait to give up this life. Don't get me wrong, I love my fam and my experience. Been around the world and back. 7 wonders I done seen them. Number 8 is just us wondering what happens when we perish. And I don't want no regrets. I'ma tell the ones I cherish that I love. I'm thinking of them on this red eye flight to Paris. If I die before I wake, at my wake, please tell my parents that your son will positively wake in paradise. Life is like a paradise, so watch the ones you rolling with. Roll the clip of my life. You gon' see a bunch of empty bottles, broken hearts and blurry nights. Facebook likes and Twitter follows. I'm not living for today, cause tomorrow's looking pleasant and the future is a gift. Even though this is the present, yeah, I do believe in heaven, but my actions ain't the key. Them gates remain locked if everything follow me.
So let them know that when I come to the end of my road, and they ask me was it worth it, the hurting, the pain, and the life I chose, I'll do it again in a heartbeat, heartbeat, heartbeat. I tell them I'll do it again in a heartbeat, 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 and I die with no regret.
You not a leader cause they follow you on Twitter, and you not a man based upon your age and your gender. If you die tonight, you probably die bored, chasing toys, objectifying these women, thinking they gon' bring you joy. Don't you want more than last night's bragging rights? What's your life? I know it's hard to think about underneath these flashing lights. Scratch the surface, money's worthless when it comes to finding purpose. If you keep the end in focus, you can't keep it when it's over. And when it's over, there's something else starts. Only thing that's really gonna matter is that hope inside your heart. What you trusting in, what you lusting in for that busted mama that's strutting in. And you popping bottles, you throwing dollars, that's cool. But part of this just in that you gon' live forever, whether you want to or not. Some of us gon' end up holy, some of us gon' end up hot. Tell this life to keep my problems, kiss my mama when I'm gone. Tell her I have no regrets, and I'm home, I'm home.
Just let them know that when I come to the end of my road, and they ask me was it worth it, the hurting, the pain, and the life I chose,